Hello everyone, this is Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2025 Volvo V60 Cross Country B5 all-wheel drive Ultra. So this interior is amazing, feels really nice in here. The seats are this beautiful brown color. They feel really comfortable in this Ultra. You have the full digital gauge cluster, of course, with the Google Maps in the center. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel, Bowers & Wilkins sound system with the nice speaker up there as well. You have the standard Volvo infotainment with the Google Maps integrated, which I love. You have heated steering wheel, heated seats and ventilated seats. You have the beautiful Aura4 Sweden crystal gear shifter, which I love. You also have a 360 degree camera system in this vehicle. I love the Bowers & Wilkins speaker grills. But let's walk around this Volvo, see what it's like. This is the blue exterior, nice wheels, and you have the plastic cladding for the cross country. This is meant to be used on all terrains. You can use it in all weather, hence the name cross country. It's meant to be used on all your road trips. And here are the rear seats. They look pretty nice. Gas cap right here. Premium fuel is required. B5 all-wheel drive badge. Here's the trunk, and you also have a cargo cover over there. And let's look at the window sticker on this V60. 2-liter turbocharged direct injected engine, 247 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed Geartronic automatic transmission. 48-month, 50,000 mile limited warranty. Very nice. With the Ultra, you get the Harman. It's not even Harman Kardon, it's Bowers & Wilkins. I wonder why it says that. That's funny. Ventilated front seats, power cushion extension, tailored dashboard, graphical head-up display. You have a climate package, protection package, luggage cover. Okay, so Ultra comes with Harman Kardon, but you have to pay extra for Bowers & Wilkins premium sound. So I made some videos on a few Ultras, and people in the comments were asking why I didn't have the Bowers & Wilkins. So it looks like the Ultra comes with Harman Kardon, but you have to pay $3,200 for Bowers & Wilkins. Total suggested retail price is $61,725. But let's get this V60 out on the road and see how it drives. I absolutely love Volvos. They're just so classy. My dream daily driver is a V60 Polestar. To put that, I have a BMW M3, and I wouldn't want to drive that every day. So like when I have to drive longer distances. So if I can have that and the V60 Polestar, I'll be a very happy person. The V60 Polestar is such an awesome car. Check out my video on that. I have both the test drive video and a walk around video, so be sure to look at those. But let's focus on this B5 right now, cross country. Feels very smooth. I just love the materials. It feels so premium in here. A lot of people complain that these Volvos have like outdated interiors, but at the end of the day, I mean, the materials are still amazing. The screen does whatever you need it to. I have built-in Google Maps, which I love. A lot of brands these days don't even have that. And you have the Google Maps right in your gauge cluster. Volvo changed the gauge cluster back in like 2022, I believe, which was a huge improvement. The older gauge cluster was really laggy, so I'm glad that they fixed that. It's like a Google infotainment system. Turn signal stock feels wonderful, very nice quality. You have a panel sunroof, which is, I slid back the shade. So yeah, acceleration's okay. I mean, this is not like the Polestar or anything like that, so it's not going to be extremely fast or anything. So you have an off-road mode if you're going to drive on like gravel or muddy roads or anything like that, but there's no sport mode in this model. In other Volvos, one thing I miss is when Volvo had like that little drive mode selector down here. It was like this little ridged metal wheel which you press and choose what you want. But now if you want to change the modes in a Volvo, you have to go to the settings and go to the driving dynamics tab, which complicates the step. I just really like that scroll wheel. I wonder why they took it away. But yeah, this car, it's really smooth and nice to drive. As I said, this is not like a, so let's just hit the throttle, see what it's like. So yeah, it's not the fastest, but as I said, it gives you more than you need. This cross country is definitely based more on the luxury in the interior and the practicality of it to drive on all terrains. Like gravel, muddy road like that, you could take this on there all day. You could drive this in the snow and everything with the all-wheel drive. But this definitely feels so comfortable. And also the Volvo safety. Volvos are great daily drivers because of the amazing luxury, the safety, and the safety ratings. They're the safest cars on the road. Really high. Volvo puts so much effort into making their vehicles safe, and I really applaud them for that. This definitely feels really nice to drive. Like if you just want to chill in your commute, this is definitely the car for you. And it's just so classy. Like I've been driving a lot of Volvos recently, as I review them and test them out, and I really like them. I really would love to get a certified pre-owned V60 Polestar. I love the hybrid setup in that car. Yeah, so the low end torque is not bad at all because it is turbocharged, of course, and the transmission shifts pretty well too. And here's the key. This has the key has the new Volvo logo on it. Like if you see in the EX90 and the 2025.5 that's coming out soon, the Volvo logo is different. It's not this anymore. This whole piece is the circle. It doesn't just say Volvo, there's a little bar. It's like all colored in black. So they just revised the logo a little bit, but it still has the circle and the arrow pointing to the northeast. But yeah, it's a really nice driving car. I really like the way it drives. The seats, as I said, are very comfortable. The V90 will give you the massaging seats. Check out my video on the V90 cross country as well. This one does not have the massage seats, which makes sense. I mean, the V90 is basically like the S90. The S90 being the luxury version of bigger version of the S60, and the V90 is the more luxurious and bigger version of this car. But yeah, actually the acceleration is not bad at all. I mean, as I said, it's not fast, but it gets the job done. But this vehicle definitely excels in providing great luxury and nice practicality. I love that Bowers & Wilkins speaker up there. But overall, this is a wonderful vehicle from Volvo. I love this V60. Thanks for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own V60.